Bool and missing values in pandas. I am trying to figure out whether or not a column in a pandas data frame is Boolean or not, and if so, if it has missing values and so on. In order to test the function that I created, I tried to create a data frame with a Boolean column with missing values. However, I would say that missing values are handled exclusively untyped in Python and there are some weird behaviors. So the moment you put none into the list, it is being regarded as object because Python is not able to mix the types bool and type none equals none type back into bool. The same thing happens with math.nan and numpy.nan. The weirdest things happen when you try to force pandas into an area it does not want to go to smile. So np.nan is being casted to true? Questions. Given a data table where one column is of type object but in fact it is a Boolean column with missing values, how do I figure that out? After filtering for the non-missing values it is still of type object. Do I need to implement a try-catch cast of every column into every imaginable data type in order to see the true nature of columns? I guess that there is a logical explanation of why np.nan is being casted to true, but this is an unwanted behavior of the software pandas/Python itself, right? So should I file a bug report?
Q1, I would start with combining. To identify if there are any none values in a column, and with. You can identify if there are only true, false and nones inside. Combining with filtering, and if you prefer to also typecasting, you should be done. Q2, see comment of it when you've been.
I've hit the same problem. I came up with the following solution.
Isn't so, isn't this so?